Good day mga ka-diecast. This is my recent commission, diorama, SM Bataan. Yung client nga pala is from Bataan. Marami kasing nagtatanong sa akin or nagme-message kung paano ko daw ito isi-ship since ako is from Bataan. As of now, I can accommodate lang is yung from Metro Manila and dito nga sa Bataan, which I can deliver it personally. Then, if Manila naman, from time to time, lumuluwas naman ako. Kaya, pwede ko din i-deliver yun or via Lalamove. Bali, ang size nga pala nito is 2 by 4 feet. Then, ang capacity niya for display ng 1:64. Ang mga diecast car natin is nasa 71. Powered by mga AA batteries. Then yung LED light niya is 5 volts via power bank naman, USB. Also, lahat naman ng brands ng diecast natin is pwede dyan display. Like Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Kaido House, Tomica, or mga Toy Skates, Mini GT, meron din Pop Race at iba-iba pa. Basta 1:64 na scale. Then, about naman sa feedback ni client is all goods naman. Satisfied naman siya. Yun. Thanks for watching.